What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm in Kasama, guys. I'm in Kasama. This is the Chishimba Falls. I'm also going to show you Kaela Falls, Mutumuna Falls. That's the video for today. That's why I drove 1,000 kilometers just to show you this. If you are new on my channel, subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. So let's do some experience here as I show you, take you around this beautiful waterfalls. Like we always say, Zambia has got more than 1,000, more than 100 waterfalls. Today I'm showing you 3 from Kasama. Let's go, guys. And human hand, you can have money, but you can't build this.
No, you can't.
You can't fake it.
No, you can't.
Oh my God. Jesus. Mm.
So when it's on peak, all this is covered.
Sure.
The water falls from that end to that end.
Really?
When you are standing here, you even get wet.
Because I can still feel some moisture. Yeah. So. Oh, when we're using the GPS coming, eh?
Oh, okay, I'll tell you.
Wow.
Actually, it's on the way going to
Really? So this one, we call it what name? This one is called
Mutumuna.
Mutumuna Falls. Wow. Oh my God. Woo. How far can we go here to take a photo?
I don't want you to reach because the
Yes.
rocks are slippery.
The rocks are slippery.
You have to get somewhere there.
Okay, somewhere there.
But be careful.
Yes. Okay, thank you. So this is the Mutumuna Falls. Mutumuna Falls here in Kasama. Guys, I've made it. I'm Bemba, but I had never been here. So this one, I'm also going to show you the other falls, the Chishimba Falls and the Kaela Falls. So this is the Mutumuna Falls. I have made it, guys. I feel so excited. I can feel the, some drizzling of the water, and I'm told this is not even the peak. It comes from all the way during the peak season, from there all the way up to there. Wow. Nice, guys. I'm so excited. Beautiful Mutumuna Falls. Oh, so what is the purpose of this sieve? I can see it's like there some metal thing here.
Yeah. This water is going also to the hydro power station.
Ah.
So they don't want particles to be passed.
Particles to pass through. Okay, nice. Thank you.
And I tell you when this was constructed, when the region. 1957. Just intact like this.
And I almost wanted to say, okay, let me guess. Since I'm construction, I'm no longer practicing construction, but that's what I studied. Maybe that one should be 20 years old. Oh, I like the organization. You have allowed nature and even our walkways.
Yeah.
Instead of making to say no, we need to make it fancy. Let's use those bricks, whatever.
Kaela,
Okay.
Green point 1.
Okay.
You won't see much because of the water. There's no water.
There's no much water at this time.
Those is rocks and the water. They are covered.
Really?
And
Okay.
it looks very nice.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
So the water.
Oh, this there is always water here. Wow.
Water gets up to somewhere.
Okay, somewhere here at peak season. No, we have an idea. Oh my God. Ah. That's very beautiful. Wow. Wow. So this is the Kaela Waterfalls. Kaela Waterfalls just here in Kasama once again. So I'm from showing you the Mutumuna Waterfalls, but this one is the Kaela. It's off season, guys. It's not even at peak season because this is summer. There is always water from here coming this way. Now you can see very little water, very dry, up to somewhere there, still very dry. This place is normally flooded. There is really a lot of water. The Kaela Waterfalls. Kaela Waterfalls. Yes. Kaela Waterfalls. Somewhere there. Wow. Yeah. So guys, my name is Traveltainment. All I do is showcase to you places. I traveled 1,000 kilometers. I traveled 1,000 kilometers just to come and show you these waterfalls. So 3 waterfalls in Kasama. Kaela Waterfalls, Mutumuna Waterfalls, and Chishimba Falls. Nice. Ho ho. It was a beautiful lady. Okay, that's another viewing point. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
The water gets up to here.
Oh.
All these rocks are covered. And the
All
water
these
just keep falling
rocks.
from there.
Really?
And starting from there, it should be like 1 step, 2 steps.
This is Wow, that's very beautiful.
Now we go to the main falls.
The main falls. Wow. Let him lead, at least just move. Give you way. Okay. Wonderful. Wow. Nice.
You can imagine those paintings have been there for so many years.
They have been preserved. They are still there.
They are still visible. Very
Modern times. Or you take them to university, those would have been very, very intelligent people. Very intelligent at school. Those guys can do a lot of stuff. Ooh.
even the caves.
Okay.
They used to live, they are there.
Ah.
And the Mwela Rock Art, it
Yes.
has recorded the highest number of paintings done by the Bushmen in
Oh.
the Sub-Saharan.
Wow.
It was very important to remember that.
Really?
The sources. You
Someone.
see, we almost shoot them on a cup.
Aha, yes,
This
that
is where the
thicket.
source is.
Okay. It just starts from there. And there are people.
And this stream
Yes.
used to be called Akanwa Mfumu.
Oh.
The only person who was drinking water from here that time was Senior Chief Mwanga. Not anyone else. But nowadays everyone drinks.
Everyone can
and this
drink.
water is also medicine, right?
There we
Very
go.
fresh water.
I knew that. The one which is coming like just
But it's
it is coming direct from the underground.
It's even better than tap water.
Yeah, I know.
Hey,
And I have believed, I have seen this water, the waters which come from underground. I was in Chinyunyu, same thing. They said the water which comes from underground. People, and I saw modern pastors come to get that
even
water.
here, there's one pastor,
Nenganga.
a prophet who always comes from
There.
he comes to get water from anointing water
Yes, and this is anointing water.
with these people. When the people were specialized in the rituals,
Uh-huh.
go down.
They will go
Where
down.
the shrine is.
Oh, and then
Chief Mamba will remain here with the people. Now, their focus will be in the sky.
oh, to see a sign or
A
what?
sign of white doves, which used to come out from the cave.
Really?
Okay, and they were pure white. But if they see those people coming back without seeing those doves flying off, it means the spirits are not happy.
It means they have
It means
rejected
somebody maybe
as
I fought
offended.
Yeah, maybe I fought with him.
Oh, you are not living in peace. You may not even come back.
If I've taken beans, I'm not supposed to go there.
Oh.
You know the characteristic
Of beans. You will be puffing. Ah.
The spirits won't be happy.
I love that. Oh my God.
And that thing, is it a pipe or it's the same pipe?
It's the same pipe which we jumped there, the Zesco pipe.
I'm surprised now the canal, you can't see it.
Yeah.
What has happened? Somewhere up,
The
canal passes on top of this pipe.
Oh.
Goes the other side.
Wow.
So the time you people were experiencing load shedding, you weren't affected.
Oh, because you had your own generation here. Sure. Zambia is blessed. Who comes to?
The power station covers the whole Kasama or what? No, part of Kasama.
Part of Kasama.
They are about to expand it.
Okay. Okay.
It's also fixed enough.
I'm not surprised. Oh my God.
So this is the main pole. You have to go down so that you see the shrine.
Okay.
You see the fourth floor.
Wow. Wow. Look at the beauty of this view. Oh my God. This is breathtaking. I've seen this photo, so the photos we've been seeing, even in that Chishimba Falls. Oh. Okay, I think we are ready to go. Chishimba Falls. That's the third one now. Oh my God. Yeah. It's like you are going to the boiling pot. We are going down, down, down. Wow. Hey, 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 hey. What? Oh my God. Wow. Ah, this is a complete house.
Yes.
Ha.
So this was the shrine.
Ha.
So doves used to come out from those walls.
Oh, they would do. Oh, they would live there. Then when they come to do the rituals, then they will come out. So
it means the spirits have accepted.
Oh, so there will be a certain way when they start doing the sacrifice, then they start coming out.
They start coming out, and they'll never come back.
Eh?
They were spiritual.
Oh.
When they come out, they would go like
They will just go.
Oh, they'll still fly away and disappear. Oh, not that after they have done that, they will come back in here.
But if the spirits are not happy, a snake will come out from here.
Oh. And it will be the one which they are going to see.
Yeah.
So it's a sign of
And that snake
bad
was
news.
like harmful. It's just a sign of showing them that the spirits are not happy.
They have rejected you. Actually, there is something you are not living right in the community.
And the pigs here comes out very clear. Again.
The what?
Pigs.
Yes, yes.
What was here?
Yes.
Ah, that will be the best pig you get from.
Okay. I didn't believe it when the site attendant told me that the pictures in the shrine come out very clear. Until I proved it. Anyway, it was a shrine. It is no longer a shrine in that cave. This is beauty. Chishimba Falls. Chishimba is a word for a charm. Wow. Yeah. Off peak. It's the season, it's summertime. So after the rainy season, it's really peak, yeah. Okay. whole part is normally covered when there is plenty of water, but now because it's dry season, very little water. Okay, this is the only waterfalls where you can even step at it. Take a look. Step at the falls. It goes all the way. The Chishimba Falls. Yes. What's up, guys? My name is Traveltainment. What I do is give you beautiful places. Today I'm in Kasama at the Chishimba Falls, Mutumuna Falls, and the Kaela Falls. That is the video for today here in Kasama. Take a look, and this is not even the peak season. So if you are new on my channel, subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. I traveled 1,000 kilometers just to show you these waterfalls, 3 waterfalls. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Me viris. Este panon. Na ufana kaka.
Paras.
Yo kwenu. Kiachwa hapa mulu. Okay. Imagine. Wow. Hey. Oh. Epo tufumine pale. Ah. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So, peak like around March, April. Yeah. You can't even kuperera pale pa mabaria. Ah. Sure. Aha, white. Oh, yeah. So imagine that level is somewhere, maybe same level with here. Oh, yeah. Wow. This is really, really. Okay. Oh, here. So much. Thank you so much. This is really, really. Ooh, look what the river, the beauty of this thing. Hey, badi safurwa. Okay, shani kuka photo. Yeah. And we didn't stand where those guys are standing there. Some zooming of the Mutumuna Falls. Oh my God, this camera is something else. Ah. Zooming the Mutumuna. Okay guys, I'm going to zoom the Mutumuna Falls. Mutumuna Falls. That's the Mutumuna Falls here in Kasama. Okay, zoom out. Okay, subscribe to my channel guys, subscribe to my channel. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. From Kasama here at the Chishimba Falls, Kaela Falls, Mutumuna Falls, I'll see you in my next video. Peace. My daughter says, adios.